Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, here to share some post-operative results with you on this handsome 50-year-old man who we did upper and lower eyelid surgery on and carbon dioxide fractional laser resurfacing of the eyelids. Had a really nice impact on him. I'd say first and foremost in letting light into his eyes. You can now see the color of his eyes much better. They have more sparkle than they had before because there's an awning of skin covering them. Will you close your eyes for me? You can see a very nicely healed little incision here. Go ahead and open. He has a very low brow and had a lot of extra skin on the upper eyelids. It's really important, though, in my mind, to make sure nobody ever looks overdone or even done. I'm sure he didn't want anybody to think that he had had plastic surgery, but at the same time, as an important business person who has a lot of people working for him, it's nice if you don't always look grumpy when you arrive at the office, even when you're in a good mood. And when that skin is hanging down, it does change the appearance of the eyes quite a bit. And we'll show you before and after what that did for him here. So that was the upper eyelids. The lower eyelids, I chose a different path. I removed some of the fat down here that was creating a bag that made him look like he wasn't very well rested by everting the lower eyelid, making an incision behind the eyelid so it's scarless on the outside. And through that incision, I was able to tease out a little bit of fat to soften the amount of bulge that he had underneath his lower eyelids, and it really made a big difference for diminishing the aging effect of his lower eyelids. The final thing that we did in the periorbital region was fractional carbon dioxide laser resurfacing. That was really valuable because it helped to remove the outer layer of skin down into the dermis and create some tightening effect in here where the skin was getting slightly crepey, and it really I think makes it glow more when you get rid of those little wrinkles, where I'd say the skin has more of a matte finish instead of a semi-gloss or luster, which is more what he's got now. So, I mean, the eyes alone just made such a huge difference for him. We're now, I think, a couple of years post-op, but I mean, he looks 15 years younger than the day I met him. So it's good news. Congratulations, and thanks for sharing.